I never thought I would do this pole jam. I said it on camera that I wasn't going to hit this, so let's start this video from that specific moment. All right, Kenny's getting creative here. Kenny clearly has a plan for that guy. I don't think I want to hit that. It looks a little terrifying to me.
Okay, so we made a couple new features at the
Edwards compound.
Edwards Enduro Park, and Angelisa is trying to get the balls to hit something. Why don't we take a look? Let's take a look at this progress that goes.
It's scary.
Goes through someone's head here. Okay, so Ange hasn't hit this yet. I was just in the pool because it's hot. And we made a little pole jam launch log here that's probably 3 feet tall-ish. And what do you think?
Terrified.
Terrified. Okay, what do we got to do?
It's just smooth, consistent throttle, and then I just gotta put my butt back.
Yeah, you gotta throttle through it.
Throttle through it.
So we gotta come straight up. Whee! Okay.
Oh my god.
So we're gonna ride up to it once. Put your wheel up it.
Okay.
Get yourself lined up. See how it feels.
Okay.
And we'll go from there. See, it's smooth. But what we're gonna do actually this time is go around, go all the way back there, come in standing up as if you're gonna hit it, and just roll slowly, get your front wheel up, just to get your mind set on how the roll goes.
Yeah, it grips pretty good, but...
Yeah, grip's real good. So you just gotta remember, you look at the end. You look at the end of the log so that you ride straight off of it. And you want to give it a little blip at the end just to keep your front up. Again, just roll in medium speed, not fast. Medium speed. Make sure you're straight and then just roll into the throttle as you go up it.
Yeah, it didn't look like you guys were going fast.
No, we're not going fast, but don't come in hot. Yeah. Come in like pretty much what you're doing there, and then just right about here, you just start going. Whoop.
Yeah, okay.
What'd you think?
My tire dropping down.
Don't. Just, again, kind of stay back a bit.
Yeah.
And you want to be on the throttle up it, like gradually up the throttle so that your front tire's lifting. And even if it comes off, as long as that's what you're doing and not letting off the throttle, it'll stay up. It won't be a problem. You might go off the side, but just look, again, look at the end. You want to go straight off. What do you think?
Yeah, it's no problem at all going onto it. It's just the drop off that I'm slightly terrified about.
Well, what do you think? You gonna try it or no?
It's just the throttle. I feel like I should practice on that other one.
Sure, go ahead. It's totally different though. It's way easier. It's easier than that one. You don't have to balance. You just ride up and it's done. It's the length of your bike. Whee!
Oh my god, I can't.
Okay, then don't.
It's overworked yet. I'm glad I can ride.
Looks like we're not doing it today.
No.
Someone's in their head a little too much. Oh yeah, you're good. got it. You're doing it. You're doing exactly what you need to do. Like how you're gassing it's perfect. You could go a little faster up to it, but not much. Yeah!
Holy shit!
Woohoo!
Oh
You got it. You totally got it. Go a little quicker up it. Yeah! You just did it. You just did it.
I feel like I dropped my front
You pulled your clutch in. Yeah! You did it!
Oh, yay! Oh my god! I really like
You did it.
compressed into
Well,
that.
you hit
and
the brake
felt-
when you landed.
Okay.
When you landed, you hit the brake.
Okay.
So don't do that. But
Okay.
the only thing that would help you is just when you're rolling in, go a little faster, like that much faster, just so that you're like rolling up it, because you kind of went slow and then gave it gas.
Yeah.
But you did a perfect job.
Okay.
And then you got scared and hit the brake.
Yeah.
So the time before you pulled the clutch right before you shouldn't have, but that one was perfect. So just roll in a little quicker, like just like a kilometer an hour quicker, and then same thing on the throttle is perfect. And when you land, no brake, just land nice on the throttle and cruise away. No, like just a little bit of throttle.
Okay.
That was great. Good job.
Thank you.
Feels good, right?
Yeah, it actually feels
It's fun.
really nice.
Yeah,
like
it's
that
so fun.
hang time, like, and then how it kind of.
Let's see it. So just roll in a bit quicker and you're perfect. Yeah. You got it.
That sounds good.
I think you might have slipped off the side on that one, but.
Oh,
Yeah! Woo! Yay! You did it.
in tears. Woo.
Are you crying?
It was all like nerve-wracking.
You did it though. Good job.
Oh, I didn't think I'd hit that.
Well, you did.
Yay. Well, thanks for the push.
Yeah.